Okay, so after I weighed the butter, I'm just going to cut it in smaller pieces so that it melts easier. I'm gonna sieve 2 cups of flour. So here I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add baking powder to that. So I have measured a tablespoon of baking powder, and I'm just going to add a half to this 1 cup, and then I'll add the other half to the other cup so that it's evenly distributed. Okay, so this is the other cup, and I'm adding the other half of the other portion of my baking powder. So in total it's 2 cups to 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Just gonna sieve that so that you aerate the flour and get rid of any particles. Do like a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and just a 1/4 teaspoon of my nutmeg. If you're using salted butter, you can leave the salt out. Just a 1/4, not a lot of salt, just enough to bring out the flavors. Then you'll use a whisk to just combine all of the spices in the flour. So after I got my flour, put 100 grams of butter, and I got this pastry blender in Walmart. It's like $10 for it, so it's not expensive at all, and it really does a great job of combining the butter with the flour. Okay, so here I have my butter coconut, so shredded coconut, blended coconut, just the trash of the real coconut, and this just adds a little bit of different flavor, and it adds some fiber into it so that it's nice and healthy. Okay, so we have brown sugar. This is half a cup of brown sugar, and I'm gonna add that to the flour. So I'm gonna whisk 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of milk. So I have here some oat milk. Add that. So I have half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright, so I'm gonna add this liquid into the center of the flour mixture here, and put all of it in there, and then we're going to mix. Okay. Alright, so after we grease our baking tray, alright, so I've made the rock cakes in balls, and I'm gonna put them in the oven, bake them at 370 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. All right.